Our Palate to Palate event is the biggest fundraiser of the year, and we have 63 pieces of art that were very generously donated by artists in our community, and we couldn't be happier about it.
I have been supporting Palate to Palate for as long as they've been in existence, and so much fun. It's such a great community event to support the Linda Fairley Art Center, and we have all of our local restaurants come out and a couple local wineries, and it's just a great event. Fundraises for our beautiful art center and our community.